Hi, and welcome to Hot Wheels for You. This video features two of the Hot Wheels NASCAR Luxury Rides motor coaches, released in 2002. Hot Wheels Luxury Rides are custom models of the luxurious motor coaches many top NASCAR drivers own and enjoy. Hot Wheels Luxury Rides are decorated with NASCAR team colors and graphics, and include a collectible trading card with photos of the interior of each coach, providing an insider's look at life on the NASCAR circuit. This motor coach is Petty Racing Cheerios number 43, owned by John Andretti. And this one is the Super Guard Racing Citgo number 99 motor coach, owned by Jeff Burton. These are amazing models that would enhance anyone's Hot Wheels collection. That's the amazing Luxury Rides NASCAR motor coach models by Hot Wheels. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels for You.